Hi, and welcome to this lab session. So now our cluster is ready and available for us to use. So we will now see how to connect AWS Redshift with AWS Glue. Let's move to the query editor. In the left sidebar, it is connecting to its database. And here you can see that we are connected to the database. And in this select schema, I will scroll down to select the public schema. I will create a table here for the sales record. For that, I will paste the code snippet I had beforehand with me and is provided to you in the resource section. It will create the exact table schema for the metadata we have, which is the 100 sales record in the AWS Glue. And then we can easily connect this AWS Redshift created table with the Glue to copy the data over here in the Redshift from the S3 bucket. So I will run this command to create the table. Okay, so now you can see that the table has been created. So we have the sales record table created with us, and these are the columns for this created table. So now we will go to the AWS Glue console. And this time I will create a new connection. Click on the add connection. And over here, let's give it a name. I will name it as Redshift Sales Connector. This is what I have named because I am making this connector for the sales table. And then we will go with the connection type as Redshift. You can also go with the JDBC type as we have learned about it earlier, or any other connection type of your choice. For now, I will go with the Redshift. Click on Next. So now we are here. Remember, we did the two settings previously for the new security group and the VPC endpoint. As those were done successfully, that is why it automatically detects the cluster and fetches the database name and username as well here. Type down your password and click on Next. These are the connection properties and the access. Finish the settings. So now you can see that the Redshift Sales Connector has been created successfully. It is now asking to test it. So I will select this one and test the connection. For that, I will select the AWS Glue service role and test this connection. So now you can see that the testing is in progress. This will take a few moments and give you the status. Okay, so here you can see that the status that the Redshift Sales Connector connected successfully to your instance. So this means that the AWS Glue can now connect to your Redshift. So now in the next lab session, we will see how we can send the data from the S3 with the help of saved metadata in AWS Glue console to the AWS Redshift table.